Hey team, for this tutorial I wanted to share how to make a pattern quickly in Photoshop. You can use these as a background texture in your artwork. First, you want to get an image you wish to change into a pattern. Really, this can be anything. A photo, a team logo, old Photoshop work you've done. Absolutely anything. Once you've got the image you want to use, select Libraries and click on the plus button. If you can't find Libraries, you can open it up from the Window tab, then select Library. The plus opens up a toggle box where you select Extract from Image at the top of the list. There are a few options in this box. Pattern allows you to select the base shape it will make your pattern from. Color mode, you can choose between color and grayscale. Scale zooms in or out of your base image, and rotation will rotate it. You can play around with any of these settings until you get something that works for you. Once done, click Save to Libraries. It will appear in the Library dialog box and you can use as you please.